All right, slowly getting back to normal. I mean, we'll feel much different by Wednesday and Thursday, even with our temperatures. But I guess we got to be prepared for plenty of rain here this week as well.
Yes. You know, it comes with a little bit.
Doesn't it, though?
We got to pay it a little bit. But okay, here's the thing. We are in a drought, so rain is always a good thing. We love the snow. The thawing of that is very helpful for our drought. But we are going to get a lot of it at once. So with the melting and all the rain combining in this very small time frame, there could indeed be some localized flooding. So please be mindful. If you know you've got poor drainage, go ahead and take the precautions that you need. This is not looking to be a widespread issue, but of course, with those two combining, we could have a few trouble spots out there. So here's a quick glance of what you need to know. Today we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds. Those clouds will be upper level clouds, so we'll still get that sunshine. Temperatures headed back into the 40s. Now, tomorrow through Friday, waves of rain. So you're going to get some scattered rain showers moving in. You'll have a little lull. See it again, another little lull. And because it is going to be back to back to back, it's not our brightest week, but it is going to be one of the warmer ones we have had in quite some time. And it doesn't end here. Even as we go in the extended outlook of the forecast, 6 to 10 days out, we are still looking to have temperatures above average. Typically this time of year, we're starting out at 30. And we're ending up at 49 degrees, and we're actually going to be above that heading into the next several days. Right now, though, we're not at that 30, are we? We're coming in at 21. That should be no surprise. We knew this cold air would be sticking around as we headed into our morning. Here's a live look for you over in Columbia. Current temperature for y'all, 20 degrees. Locations where we've got more snowpack. You are going to be a few degrees colder than areas that don't necessarily have the snowpack in place. So it is going to vary basically from house to house as to how much melting has already occurred. Now, at a glance, your heart kind of skips a beat going, oh, here we go again, around 1900. Well, that's not the case. This is really going to stay away from us. However, yes, they're dealing with some wintry mix, and we feel so sad for them, but we are very glad when it comes for us. We're getting that break that we so desperately need to thaw out. Those clouds that are going to move in, remember, those are upper level clouds, so we're still going to have some sunshine as we go throughout our day. Temperatures right now, 18 in Bowling Green, 21 in McMinnville. Dixon, you're at 24. Believe it or not, this is warmer than where we have been. Some of y'all even 15 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. So yes, you step out, it is still slick, it is still cold, but improvement has already happened, and it's not even 5:30 yet. Winds right now are coming in out of our south. They're going to stay that way as we go throughout the day, but gain a lot of strength and momentum overnight. So how much rain are we talking? This model goes today all the way until Wednesday night, so right around midnight as we transition into Thursday. This is not the gospel, but it is a good indication that over the next 3 days, we could have some spots upwards of 2.5 inches. But you also need to account for the melting of the snow, so it's going to seem like there's a lot more out on the ground. The rain today, not looking to see too much, 1 or 2 tiny sprinkles, but it's basically overnight tonight. As we head into tomorrow morning, we'll start to see these waves, and that's just going to be our pattern. Something else that will be our pattern is it will be quite breezy heading into the overnight hours, and temperatures will be on the rise each and every day, not only in the mornings, but also afternoons. Your 7-day forecast, highs today, 43. Tomorrow, we're starting in the 30s. By the afternoon, 53 degrees. That 50% because we're going to have the showers on and off as we make our way throughout Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And by Friday, that's when we start to tone things down just a little bit. Some colder air will move in by Sunday, that high of 47, but we're still anticipated to be above average as we head our way into next week. And just a quick reminder, we just got word and we changed it on the graphic for you. Thanks to our executive producer, Bethany. Trigg County, you are going to school today. So bundle up for that school bus ride.